Ultratech Cement Board has approved funds worth 7,266 crore rupees to be precise to Binani Cement's parent company to pay lenders and other liabilities. Now, last week, Ultratech Cement had alleged lack of transparency in the NCLT proceedings to auction the company, that is Binani Cement, in a setback for the Birla Group company. The Committee of Creditors had approved the plan presented by Dalmia Cement to acquire Binani Cement. Nisha Poddar is here with the details of that agreement. Nisha, safe to assume that the final call will lie with the NCLT and Ultratech's takeover is obviously not certain yet.
Oh, that's right. The matter will be decided in the court. But what has really happened today has upped the game for Binani Industries and the parent company as well as the promoters to get back Binani Cement, which is a prized possession for them. And there's a big fight happening between three big companies and conglomerates for this particular asset. So now Ultratech, in a board resolution, has given an in-principle nod to give a letter of comfort to Binani Industries in taking Binani Cement out of the IBC, the insolvency proceedings. And that's a big one. That's the first one that we are seeing in this whole saga of IBC-related cases. And every day is a new day here. So we'll have to see how the courts react to that. And is there a precedent set? But this is a very, very big development. Ultratech really backing Binani Industries. Let's get in more understanding on this particular bit. From Sameer Kaji, who's a senior advisor to Binani Industries and is joining us on the phone line here at CNBC TV 18. Mr. Kaji, good to have you on CNBC TV 18. Now, our first question, with this huge comfort and support coming in from Ultratech, which had upped its bid to 7,266 crore rupees for Binani Cement, and now they are ready to back you to take the company Binani Cement out of the IBC proceedings. What is going to be your next step?
As you all know, we have already filed under Section 65 today at NCLT Calcutta, requesting NCLT to re-look at the reference made at NCLT and telling them we would like to withdraw from NCLT and we will honor the entire liability which is logically due.
Right. So all the lenders' liabilities will be paid off in one go if the matter is taken out of IBC. What gives you the confidence of terminating the IBC proceeding? Is that even allowed by law, Mr. Kaji?
As per our legal advice, we feel that NCLT has broad powers and they could withdraw the reference made under Section 65 since we plan to meet all legitimate dues of Binani Cement. And we feel it's a distinct possibility.
But it would set a precedent also, Mr. Kaji. You have been a professional and an expert in this particular space. Have you got any precedent of a company going into NCLT, into IBC and coming out of that? Is that even allowed? What is it that you are trying to invoke here? A Companies Act which supersedes IBC, or what is the legal position that you have to do something like this?
You know, Nisha, there are a couple of things one should look at. What is the main objective? Objective is resolution at IBC and also maximizing returns to all stakeholders. Being an evolving process, there is no precedent as of now. But if you are meeting all your liabilities, I feel this could become a precedent. And we have also given the option under Section 230 of the Companies Act, which in a way could precede the IBC code. So if the NCLT wants, they could also make a reference to this.
And what is your arrangement with Ultratech on this? Why would they give you that comfort?
The arrangements are being worked out, but the comfort is the quality of the asset, the long-term benefits. So we are in the process of working out the arrangement, and the ultimate ownership of the asset will then move to Ultratech.
What is the biggest purpose for Binani Industries and its shareholders? It's a listed company.
We feel that maximizing returns of stakeholders is of paramount importance. We feel the value has been underplayed, and what only we had been asking in the earlier reference was information sharing by the RP, transparency, which we felt was lacking. And we are not certain what are the main contents of the bid, whether it was H1, H2, H3, whatever it may be.
All right. So, Mr. Kaji, Binani Industries has, and as well as Ultratech, have challenged not just the COC's RP's decision to award the asset to Dalmia Cement, but you have also now moved the NCLT to take it out of the IBC proceedings. Just one small question: which is the next date we are watching out for NCLT's decision here?
I think 22nd.
All right.
This month.
All right. So we'll wait and watch out for that. But
Thanks,
this is a
Nisha.
very, very interesting development. Thanks so much for joining us on CNBC TV 18.